It's simple. The settings are already in place. The optimal strategy is active by default. Connect your wallet, and the bot gets to work immediately. No manual input, no guesswork. Maximum efficiency from the very first second. On screen, real-time scanning of new tokens from Pump.Fun. While regular traders hear about a new project after 60 seconds, our sniper is already there. Detection in 0.01 seconds. Purchase in 0.05. This is a level where milliseconds matter, a level once reserved for professionals. Now, it's available to you. Here it is, the first entry. The token is selected based on bonding curve and market cap. The system is already tracking the growth, all according to the algorithm. Plus 25%. Profit secured. Another jump. Another take. Sudden drop? We exit calmly, with minimal losses. Managing the bot is simple and intuitive. Set your amount, profit target, and stop loss. The rest, the bot handles automatically. This isn't just automation. This is your own trading system, always on guard. Another example, a token just launched. Sniper's already in. A few seconds later, price goes up, and the bot exits with precision. Your money is working while others are still reading the announcement. 10,000 users already rely on Sniper Bot every day. People around the world are growing their capital without wasting time on routine. Security? The code is open source. Only you have access to your funds. Every action is encrypted and fully under your control. Sniper Bot isn't just a tool, it's your crypto advantage. Connect your wallet, launch it, and watch your money start moving faster than the market. Join those who are always one step ahead.